In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and set up your account on phssheen.com. Whether you're new to online shopping or just unfamiliar with this particular website, I'm here to guide you through each step seamlessly. So, let's get started. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and search for www.shein.com. This website is your gateway to a vast array of trendy and affordable clothing. Once the page has loaded, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's both user-friendly and visually appealing, ensuring that your shopping experience is as enjoyable as it is efficient. Next, you'll want to click on the Sign In/Register button. For those of you who don't yet have an account, select Register. This platform makes it incredibly easy to create an account, which is crucial for tracking your orders, saving your favorite items, and receiving tailored recommendations. After choosing to register, you'll be prompted to sign in or register using your preferred method. Shein offers various options, but let's focus on continuing with Google. Click on Continue with Google. This option is not only secure, but also speeds up the registration process, linking your shopping account with your existing Google credentials. Plus, this eliminates the hassle of remembering yet another password. Now that you've signed in, it's time to set up your account by heading over to My Profile. This is your personal hub on Shein, where you'll be able to manage your addresses, orders, and other settings. Setting up your account correctly ensures that your checkout process will be smooth and error-free. Next, click on Manage My Account. This section allows you to update any personal information and ensure everything is current. It's crucial to periodically review this information to avoid any issues with order delivery or communication from Shein. Following this, you'll want to explore My Payment Options. Click on that section. Here you can securely add your preferred payment method, whether it's a credit card or another option. Adding your card in advance streamlines the checkout process, allowing you to make purchases more quickly and hassle-free. Finally, click on the highlighted sections that appear as you navigate. These highlighted areas often draw your attention to new features, updates, or actions you might need to take. By staying attentive to these cues, you'll ensure that your Shein experience remains as up-to-date and user-friendly as possible. With these steps completed, your Shein account is now set up and ready to use. You're all set to dive into the vibrant, fashion-forward world of Shein, enjoy a seamless shopping journey, and discover your next wardrobe favorites. Happy shopping!